the world of AutoCAD where precision and creativity meet. Today, we will explore more on one of the most important components of AutoCAD, the DRAW Toolbar. Join us as we discover the significance of this powerful tool in the world of computer-aided design. Meet the DRAW Toolbar, the gateway to a realm of endless possibilities in AutoCAD. This essential collection of tools grants users the ability to create, modify, and refine their designs with precision and control. With just a single click, the DRAW Toolbar grants you access to an arsenal of basic drawing tools, whether it's a simple line, a perfect circle, or a precise rectangle. These tools form the foundation of your design. Efficiency is the key to productivity. The DRAW Toolbar eliminates the need to navigate through complex menus and remember intricate command names. It streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus on bringing your ideas into life. The DRAW Toolbar in AutoCAD is a powerful ally in the realm of computer-aided design. With its arrays of tools and commands, it provides efficiency, precision, and flexibility, allowing designers like you to transform their vision into reality.
AutoCAD's DRAW Toolbar empowers you with precise control over your design. When using the Line tool, you can input specific lengths and angles, ensuring that every element of your drawing is accurate to the last detail. The DRAW Toolbar is not limited to creating basic shapes. It equips you with tools for modifying and redefining your objects. Trim and extends help you to achieve precise intersections, while fillet and chamfer assist in creating smooth transitions and vivid corners. AutoCAD's DRAW Toolbar goes beyond the basic, supporting advanced drawing techniques. The polyline lets you create complex shapes with multiple segments, while spline tools enables the creation of smooth and curvilinear paths. Your designs can now reach the new level of complexity and sophistication. AutoCAD understands that every designer has its unique preferences. The DRAW Toolbar can be customized to suit your individual needs. Add or remove tools to create a personalized workspace that matches your preferred drawing style and workflow. Embrace the power of the DRAW Toolbar in AutoCAD and unlock the true potential of your designs.